reminds me of the video.
I know. You can see me in the mirror.
I know. I can't see you changing your face. Go show me Grandma.
Yeah. Here's Grandma.
Oh, I still have a picture of you and her where you just shower and you have that towel on your head. And then she's like in the background. Like this.
Oh, yeah.
I printed that out because I wanted it.
You can only say hi to Grandma for a little bit.
Okay.
Never mind, she's right here. Yeah, actually, more than hi, but.
Mom!
What?
Mom!
What?
Come see Grandma.
No, Nana.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, I miss you. I miss you. Yeah. See, look, we're dark.
I love you.
I don't see. Tell her we're dark.
I love you. I miss you. I wait for you. Come home. I wait for you. Come home.
See, I told
Go.
you we're gonna see. Tell her.
Go eat pho.
Oh, yeah. See, I told you we're gonna see each other on the TV.
Hi, Grandma.
Go eat pho.
Grandma. Yeah. Hey, Grandma. Hey, Grandma.
Hey, I told you we're not too far away.
Go eat pho. Go eat pho.
Oh,
My grandma wants to eat pho.
oh, yeah. We ate pho
I
over
wait for
here
you.
too.
Go eat pho.
That's it, Grandma. You tell her she looks good.
Nana and I both look so queer.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Maybe I die. You come back, okay?
You're not gonna die. You're gonna come to Hawaii?
Nói bà muốn đi Hawaii không?
All right, Grandma.
Bye for me. I go. Buy ticket for me. Okay, I go.
All right,
Okay.
Grandma. We miss you.
I miss you too.
Okay. I miss you, Grandma. You can talk to us anytime. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Mua nhà chưa?
Yeah, mua nè rồi. Cái này phần Ashley.
Chắc là bên nó mua từ trước ta mua sẵn rồi.
Oh, Daisy.
You see her stomach?
Is she getting bigger?
You see her?
Hi, Daisy. She's getting fatter?
Yeah, you see it? Look at her hair.
You put a bow
You
in
never
it?
did that.
You put a bow in it?
Yeah.
That's cute. Wait, so is she?
I think so.
Dun dun dun. Bye, Ba.
Bye.
Oh, that was so cute, man.
Daisy. Say your name.
Daisy. 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 Oh. Is that meant for a dog?
No, it's mine.
'Cause there's one.
Daisy. Daisy.
Aww.
She sleeps with me every night. You look at her.
Aww. When are you gonna trim her again?
I don't know.
She's cute like that, though.
She's so
She's
cute.
looking at you. Aww. Daisy, look, food.
Look how she's sitting.
Oh. That's so cute. Oh, take a picture. Wait, do it again. Let me take a picture.
Hold on.
Okay, ready?
Daisy.
1, 2, 3. Got it. How cute.
Daisy, I love you so much. Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Oh, Daisy. Where's Lucky?
I don't know.
I don't know. I don't care.